Hi, in this video I wanted to talk about the vertical dimension of time, the present moment, this very now. The horizontal dimension of time is obviously past and future, but the vertical dimension is the here and now. And if you think about it, the vertical dimension of time is the only real essential aspect of the present moment that you can experience. The interior, to be able to be present in the here and now, to be able to be aware of your breath, your body, your internal state of being, the inner energy field, that is the closest you can get to the present moment, because everything else outside of you has a time lag. Like, for instance, if a car goes past, you hear a sound, the sound is actually lagged, so what you're hearing is from milliseconds ago. If something is further away, like a plane or a gunshot, like several kilometers away, it's actually seconds away. At the same time, when you see things like if you look at the stars and galaxies, if you look at the night sky, you're actually looking into the past. It's not the light you see has taken many light years to reach you, but it's what happened years ago. It's what you're seeing is the past and not what's happening right now to the star. The star might have even exploded, it might not even exist anymore, but what you're seeing is the time, which the past period of the star, what it was years ago, or the state it was years ago. And the other important thing to note is that so whether it's your observation or your hearing or any other sensations, like even if you touch something, it takes a fraction of a second for your brain to process and notice what it is. Of course, that's much shorter than hearing and seeing, depending on the space. I mean, if something's really close to you, obviously the light bounces so fast, at 300,000 kilometers a second. It's almost instantaneous, but there is a very tiny lag, which is insignificant. But what's interesting is just, even though it's insignificant, it is still, in a way, a delay that you're experiencing. But the vertical dimension of time, the here and now, to be able to feel your inner energy field, is probably the closest you can get to the present moment. And that is what the concept of meditation or mindfulness is very much aligned with the present moment and the present moment experience. Okay, so I hope I'm be keen to hear your thoughts about this concept, and thank you for listening to this video.